Are you trying to lose weight? Did you know that during moments like the one we are living now, when we stay at home because of a pandemic or when we are in the middle of a flu season, losing weight might not be the best thing to do? According to researchers, diets based on caloric restriction like low-carb, Dukan, detox, cutting, and others that favor a reduction of caloric intake might harm your immunity and leave your body more vulnerable to viruses and bacteria. Besides that, a diet that is low in calories can also result in issues like anemia, deficiency of vitamins and minerals, and cause weakness, dizziness, lack of energy, and general malaise. If you have ever gone on a restrictive diet or one of the diets cited above, you know quite well how it can affect your body and even your mood. According to researchers, restrictive diets put your body in an alert state that affects the body as a whole since they increase the release of cortisol, stress hormone, which inhibits some of the factors related to the immune response. Are you enjoying the video so far? Then give us your opinion to let us know how we are helping you and your health. Also, give it a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. According to studies, restrictive diets could lower your immunity because they are low in carbs. Reducing our intake of foods that are rich in carbs, like bread, pasta, potatoes, and rice, is not the most adequate thing to do at this moment, since our immune system needs nutrients, vitamins, and minerals to fight off infections, viruses, and bacteria. That's why it is so important to eat well. And when we tell you to eat well, we are talking about reducing processed foods. Industrialized, processed, and junk foods don't have much aggregated nutritional value and are high in fats, sugars, and preservatives. The best thing for you is to unwrap less and peel more. Always opt for fruits that are low in calories, like red and citrus fruits, lemon, oranges, kiwi, fruits that are rich in vitamin C, and dark green leaves that are rich in fiber and improve the intestinal tract at the same time they help you to not increase calories. Besides that, eat lots of fresh foods, and avoid processed foods like sugar and alcohol in excess because they can lower your immunity. And don't forget to drink water. Keeping yourself hydrated is essential to guarantee the functioning of your metabolism, especially of your airways. If you don't like plain water, you can always drink some flavored waters with some ginger and peppermint, or even juices and teas. So in a time like the one we are living now, it is necessary to avoid these kinds of diets and seek specialized help for things like emotional eating, weight gain, excessive or compulsive overeating. Besides that, if you have the flu or a cold, eating healthily is even more necessary. Take your time and watch our video of shots that can contribute to your immunity. Try them and share your opinions with us.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.